Hi, this is Christina Weiss and this is Tip Tuesday again. I hope you're still enjoying it.
I would like to show you my little spin on using a net for making center flowers like scabious. I am using gum paste here, by the way, not cold porcelain. I just thought I'd do this for a change. Now what we have here is not exactly symmetrical, but neither is real life scabious, I think. And also you could just fill all the gaps out when your petals are already in place. It would make it look nice and natural, hopefully. Short and sweet as usual. Here we go, another Tip Tuesday. Be nice, share and subscribe, and I see you again on Thursday with a new flower tutorial.